to have once been ab. We bring past around to meet future, making past angry as it compares and notes astonishment at we and our wants from future, from what past had. How could that have made we happy? Just look at what we want from future. Cute, huh? That? Oh, lover bum, sorry for the failed missive, the fired shot at time, and we, so abnormal, see how it is sick and normal to be so ab. A otro. Immorta sabilite. Immorta sabilimo. Immorta stanemenen. Amente. Amente. A orta. Be otra. Se otra. De monstro. Stromonstro. Eorca fesolca giganta. Hisop. Hisop. Hisope mia. I orta jazaba se besaba. Camoncro vi ya besa votro me. La visi livi le pelomo. Montrame moc me como manque ama mañana. Namam hombre. O yorta o sotra pon ponto tworkia. Qua un qui quan ama. Rasume namu. Stresor soro. Tortoro rotoro. Uolta. Vevi boava votra. Soltra, xoxtra. Xamen, xamen, xamele suiamente. Ya volta, za, moltre, zol, Correction. I like to see, next question. Have the chief, I want to be chief if I can. I've always been interested, I'd like that, to be, if I can, in destination, pretty much the same. Also the bottom, young ones who work hard there. I consider myself, if I can, yup, harmonious, born, can't fake it, the next line, but I would never wait, that wasn't now, what I didn't prove, wasn't clear, right here, if I could first, okay, fine, let's do. Barely. Then the last line. Anyone could play. Well, then the last line, going down to a different, how about this? 2 words, one and self. With some enthusiasm, heroism, wait, H-E-R, actually, I'm sorry, that might be right, and possess my own I, each man, and where it goes is where that was. It should say, a man and unman. I don't know if by now what I would do is recognize some aspect. If I aim, it's part of, or God, or the goddesses involved. That's right, halfway through, take it out, this is professional, etc. I didn't care, and so on. Should we speak? That would be, or that and that. Take out that. I like to feel spiritly that giving you that has only then the that should, once as the only thing, the only thing should be a space. Should there be a space? Under unman, who is able or not, with enthusiasm. 2 words, I think so. In trying to contain excitement, I ask Paige, do I exploit you for catch or control? You, disastrous page in my hand. A divine interruption, breath by punctuation. Interfering reception with vibration, where oscillation tunes body to skin, me to you. No beginning or end to vibration. Body vibrates to world. Skin expands to match world. Opening skin to skin of world. Page is world. Extreme tyranny to call upon poem's skin by breath. Could punctuation equal extreme breath? If common speech is spontaneous, what is uncommon speech? But the making of the spontaneous, out of the common. Page, mere messenger crushed by letters. Brain verse, body verse, universe, multo-bobo verse. To skin on the creolization of the future magnetics, the intermixed flow, i.e., which blow you gonna trail, breath interrupts language. Psst. Don't use the word language, it pisses off the lingua. Dirt speech, earth tongue, race be language before nation. What space be racer if not nation maker, where two be won by race erasure? Heart speak in translation of nation chaser. Each tongue be sacred nature licked by liquidy creation, mere definition to fears because of its ubiquity. Love is two lenguas. Every language should be bilingual. Bang, ball, botroni birds unspaced. Idea of the revolving woman born in space, plus as of form replaced of idealized symmetrics. Plus revolving space ideas of transforman as dynamism woman as woman intermorsed by code plus idea revolves. Woman appears as revolving hand, as breast over hand evolving hip, of woman as sculptured form, plus revolving idealized tummy over back revolute. Swervical fears enforced ideas of revolution woman as formed in head plus spatial isms down back plus and fluid ofs long boned over skin long backed bone idealized as hand over genital idea plus dynamism of ideal man born in movement, space of ideal anatomy. Imagined as revolution, running hands over idealized form. Boned bone discovers spatial dynamis. Wawan more, swawan norm. Wawan more, swawan norm. Bone atomati imagines prone position. Bent over knees by side hips, on rear over prone legs, connect one over other in one, some are in one, are some in some, one are in none, are others in one, some are in none, are ones. Revolutions born in space, ideas are revolutin, as motion born in one. Swawan norm wawam more, swawam 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 norm wawam more, wawam more, swawam more. We exist in a dialogue of existing. Our ephemeral soil as divided as our tongue, the oral erasure that defines our evolution in a Y-thing connection, the X crossing out the at, the O, the Y. In that crossing out, a bridge, a new repository brought to light, where accent creates opportunity to shift with the ever shift, how to evolve with the silent runners. This last poem is called, I Was So Tired This Morning and Now Here I Am Awake. 3 parts. 1A. Spilled, entwined, organed, zygotic, wiped, ready to receive your etc. Becoming mine, etc. Socketed each to each, corded, felt, wrapped, fluid, etc. Inched, inked, warped, amongst it, cryatic, impulse, reneutered, etc. Deballed, uniced, rigid prosthetic snugly fit, etc. Neared, riddled, impossibly squandered, unstanzed appreciatively, etc. Far-felt, nibbled, mouse-holed, in and out energetics, etc. 1B. And where does continuation happen? In the convergence of nouns, unattached by no one there anyway. In the realm of infinite combinations, man to woman to woman to man, the obliteration of bodies. The expansion of minds beyond bodies, the obliteration of selves in the oceanic swell of one body arched to receive and another poised and thrusting. 2. Macoomed, endemic, the moment I thought you'd finish is when I neglected to look, etc. Overrated, the moment I thought you'd already come, etc. Which only gave me extended notions of probability, wizened circumference, squirch, etc. Arch, such zealotry tinted wizened your speech. Weren't we built, impressed, and drafted upon by squelch, by speech? More like squelched, unsocketed, silenced by the horrors speech wrought. And life-affecting organisms, ungendered by motion continuers, poemers, languagers in the finite squelch of neurons, escape the physical formed of, etc. Droplets on a seed, umbilical sun, enamored by rubbing of inner over inner over inner, of implausible thickness over aerial distance, slipped on telescopic etc., of one receiver obliterated by swell. 3. Force of flow, vastness of oceans, holes are not in opposition. Open the universe existensful as. Electrons with eons collide into sound, into arch, into wave upon wave, into sweat salivaed in utero, unchecked by balm upon bone. Arome in mindful intention of hum. There, what a goal wants to be, like speeched, like terror, like flamed out, etc. And fleshed in the line of its ending, to curve in the time of insatiate deep, the propulsion of vivisection anon, if I throw myself, catch me, the boy in the body to body the girl, the oblique interruption of body parts, ground into dust by the girl, into body, the male interform. How are we not done? Into the cusp, the hold, as into the etc., the fill me up. Thank you.